Let's play shooting stars. Let's find the words together. Can you find the word jot? Very good. Excellent. Now we need the word wet. Wet. Good. Very good. Let's find the word dab. 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 Now the word nap. 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 Good. The word nod. 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 Excellent job. Now we need the word bet. Bet. Can you find it? Bet. Bet. Very good. What about the word run? Run. 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 Good job. Now we need the word wag. 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 Very good. You're doing this very nicely. Now hit. Where is the hit? Hit. Hit. Good job. Very good. Let's play again. You're doing this so well. Okay. Now we need the word jab. 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 Can you find the word jab? Okay. Now the word cot. Cot. Good. Very good. It's good to play with you. Now the word ram. Ram. Good. Very good. Dig. Very good. Excellent. Dig. Good job. You're reading so nicely. Now the word ban. Ban. Good. Okay, now let. Let. Good. Now got. Got. Good. Can you see the word sit? Where is it? It. Good. The word tan. Tan. Excellent. What now? Now the word cot. Ot. Very good. Another game you finished. Very good. It's so nice to play with you. Excellent work.